Hi everyone, these are Iseo locks, Iseo R6, R7 and Iseo. Same profile, Turkish manufacturer. To open all these locks, the same tool is used, only different foil. For Iseo R7 you need to cut a strip of 0.7 mm foil for both sides. For Iseo R6 you need such a ready-made cut foil with a thickness 0.5. For Iseo 0.7 mm foil is also needed, but only for one side. In general, you can experiment with foil. So for Iseo R7, we take a strip of foil. First we lay it on the non-working side to give it a shape. Then we wrap it and give it a shape. Also you can use 0.6. It will be softer, but we prefer 0.7. It will be optimal. This is R7. Iseo locks are very accurate, of high quality, so there will not always be 100% result. Sometimes the lock may not open the first time, but can the second or even the third. Look now, I got into a faster. Backlash appeared. A large backlash has appeared, which means that the lock will no longer open. Therefore, we cut the foil again. This happens often when the key has a high pin and it is not pressed enough. That is, the foil does not have enough height. Therefore, we try to ensure that the foil does not wrinkle and there is enough height. Let's try again. Here it works great. Therefore, you need to carefully expose the foil and work carefully in general. Locks are not easy. The price for this set will be on the website. The link will be below this video. Bye.